Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And in this video I will read journal with the title The Implementation of the Cambridge Lower Secondary English Curriculum Teacher Voice at One Private School in Palembang by Muhammad Hollandia, Dian Erlina, Leni Marzulina, Dian Yulianti. Introduction. English has become a subject that is taught to the student at school. Johnson 2017 defined that there are various reasons for learning a foreign language, which are for study purpose, adapting to the new culture of the country in which someone lives, for international communication with people from different countries, and for international communication with people from within their country. The learning process consists of supporting material and strategy included in the activity during the learning process take place. Concerning English as a subject, it is related to the curriculum use. Over time, a curriculum is always changed or updated. There are national and international curriculum that have their own purpose and competencies that want to be achieved in educational. The relation between English subject and the curriculum here is for teaching English subject by using Cambridge Lower English Secondary. Literary review. Teacher perception, the nature of curriculum, the importance of curriculum. The teacher perception are important to the study. Perception is an emotional or intellectual reaction to or regarding something or someone. Consciously or unconsciously, we judge person, things, or even throughout lives. In curriculum, there are so many things that must be considered in order to be the direction and purpose of the curriculum itself. Impact on administration, teacher, and student. A curriculum allows administration to provide in dynamic educational program for current and profile students. School, college, and universities attract students with a variety of quality, competitive, and flexible program curriculum. The Cambridge curriculum in lower secondary school. Cambridge lower secondary means that the Cambridge curriculum is for students who are still in 12 and 15 years. For English subject, his subject foster a lifetime love of reading, writing, and speaking. It gives students treble language abilities for analyze and generation spoken and written material, as well as collaboration work. The implementation of Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum. There are some stages in implementing Cambridge Lower English curriculum. The first of program development. The teacher attribute in Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum. There are competencies that should be had for teachers and students in using the Cambridge curriculum. Previous related student. In this point, some previous students are described. The first study was conducted by Kusumawati 2019 until implementasi curriculum Cambridge, which has similar that focus and describe implementation learning English at methodology, research design, site response, qualitative research with a case study approach was selected by select in order to know, such as phenom dealing with the teachers. Perception toward the implementation of Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum at on private school in Palembang. Data collection. In collection the data, we use interview for obtaining information from teacher of English that aim to know that perception about the implementation of Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum at Singapore Indonesian School or SES Palembang. Finding. The interview was conducted to find the teacher perception on the implementation of Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum. After gaining the data from the interview, the data was analyzed by using thematic analysis. Program development. Based on the data obtained from the interview in the stage of implementing Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum program. Development was the first stage. I think it is enough. And the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.